Hi guys, Matt here today with Texas Edge Home Inspections to talk to you about natural draft water heaters. Now, these type of water heaters are the most common that I find in the area that I inspect are natural draft. So this right here, this is what's called a B vent, and this is a draft hood, and air is drawn up through here, and the water heater itself sends exhaust through this pipe so it can exit your house. Now with this style of B vent, you need a 1-inch clearance to any combustibles, which this has. This is a good clean install. The draft hood has been nailed into place, and if you can see this, it's also kind of clipped into place to the top of the water heater. So this is a good clean install. Sometimes they'll use a different type of vent, which is a single walled vent, which needs 6 inches of clearance, but this one is a B vent and only needs 1. I'm going to show you some examples of some that maybe weren't so good. As you can see here, this draft hood is sitting flat on top of the water heater. It's not utilizing the legs that come with the draft hood to raise it off the water heater. This will not allow air to draw in properly and expel the exhaust as it should. In this example, we're not only dealing with corrosion, but the B vent itself has come loose from the draft hood. This is going to cause carbon monoxide to spill into the attic and ultimately into the home. We recommend having a licensed plumber come and correct this situation as soon as possible to protect you and your family. In this example, the B vent does not have the proper 1-inch clearance from combustible material. Oftentimes when having these water heaters replaced, they will cut corners and not strap the vents up properly so that they have the right clearance. Thanks for checking out these water heaters with me today. Don't forget to like and share the videos and call today for your inspection.